UH-72B Lakota. You're just a starter who is trying to get oil. AH-6 Littlebird. Every ground vehicle is scared of you, because you're annoying. A 1D Huey. When you were a starter, you think this was better than the Littlebird. Turns out, the Littlebird is much better. Or you like Vietnam vehicles? A 60 Blackhawk.
Stop it. Get some help.
Or you probably love role-playing. A 64 Apache. You really love explosions. Ka-52 Alligator. You think you can destroy ground vehicles, but at the same time, you really want this to be buffed. Eurocopter Tiger. You like this cause you missed when it used to be the best free-to-play helicopter in 2023. Invictus. You like futuristic vehicles, no matter how bad they are. Raider X. You like fast helicopters. You also a very skillful war tycoon player. A 159 Mangusta. You are a menace and you're even more annoying than the A10 Warthog. A1Z Viper. You're finally a chill war tycoon player. I have never seen anybody use this ever. Super Stallion. I smell oil. Me-24 Hind. You hop on War Tycoon 24/7 just to try to do some quests to try to get the Me-24 Hind. Do you want that badly, or what? You're a sweat. Me-24 Super Hind. You always compare the Apache Longbow 24/7. Think it's your biggest enemy. Apache Longbow. You always compare the Super Hind and you have a problem with ground vehicles. Me-28 Havoc. You made the worst decision ever, buying Robux to get this helicopter that got nerfed more than twice. DeLorean. You just want to get to your destination without being locked on. Toycopter. You are an OG War Tycoon player. Tankcopter. You are a joke.